Welcome to the fueling station simulation. Here you are assigned with finding the best location for a new fueling station within the city street grid. The current fueling stations within the city cannot keep up with consumer demand, so it's up to you to use algebra to model a Voronoi diagram to fairly position a new station so that no one station loses more customers than the other stations. When you begin the simulation, you'll be presented with a city grid and the addresses of the current fueling stations. Drag and drop each of the lettered fueling station symbols one at a time onto the grid using their addresses. Next, it's time to start constructing our diagram. Click on the Please Select One drop-down menu and choose Segment in the list of options. If you're not sure what a segment is and would like a definition of this, or any other word in the menu, click on the Terms button to view a detailed description. Now that you have segment highlighted, click on two station points on the grid. Please note that the red point on the screen changes to a green dot when the point is properly selected. Next, hit the Make It button to draw a line segment between the two highlighted points. Do this until all points are connected. Afterwards, click the drop-down menu and select Midpoint. Click on a segment between two stations and hit the Make It button. Repeat until all segments have midpoints. Then, go to the menu and select Perpendicular Bisector. Click on a midpoint and its segment it lies on, and then hit the Make It button to bisect the line. Once you bisect every segment, look for where the bisecting lines cross each other. That will be the best location for the new fueling station. You can choose to solve a new problem with 3 stations or 4 stations by clicking on one of the New Problem buttons at the top. When you click on one, you'll receive new locations of stations on the grid.